So I'm back on the Robert Sorby gouge now. It's quite narrow, it's only 3/8, but this is a small project and it's sharp as well, which is going to help. It will burn as it's going in because it's very keen, but it's a much smoother cut. I think we'll have to tidy this up a bit, but it's going to be worth going in a bit more. And it's taken the burn marks off a bit, but I think that's just because I let it cool. So let's let it cool for a minute. Now there's some kind of density irregularity here and a couple of knots that are stopping me getting quite the shape I want because it keeps putting the gouge up. But I think I'll try some hollowing now because we've got the basic shape and the basic depth. I've done some more and I seem to have managed to get right in under here and also deep into the inside. That's kind of dark in there, isn't it? Hang on. Is that better? No, not doing very well with the light. But there is a massive knot just there, right in the middle. And I think if I keep on trying to deal with that on the lathe, I think that's going to pop out and knacker the whole thing. So we're just about ready to part off and then, well, perhaps do a bit more finishing yet. Then part off, get it in the house and do some hand finishing. I don't want to go any further with the tools. I think that should just snap off now. Let's see. No, not so easy, but I'd rather saw it off than take any chances. So here it is. I've taken it out of the chuck. Bit wobbly there. I'm just going to put it in the vise now and take the screw out. That's coming off very obligingly. I did give my hands a little wipe first. Any oil on your hands that gets into this now is going to affect the finish savagely. It's coming away nicely. And there we are. And do something with that. Just got to saw this bottom bit off now. Do loads and loads of finishing in the direction of the grain inside. And that just broke off in my hand a second later. You can see right in the screw hole there, but you cannot see through into here. So I can do more to this foot with the gougers. That kind of thing. Gougers, sandpaper, general handwork. The only thing left out here today is, I'm dying to find out, is this stuck again. So I've got one spanner on the spindle flats there, and this wrench here. Oh yeah, nice and easy, nice and easy. Feel that just broke off straight away. There you go. Let's get this out of the way so I can support the thing properly. Well, that's really good. That proves the fibre washer can take what must have been tons of pressure there and stood up to it lovely. Right, we'll have that left on in future then. Wonderful. Okay, let's put it all back in its box. Quite important to keep the chuck really safe. As you can see, my workshop is a rust bucket. It's actually all made out of old corrugated metal sheets, this workshop, apart from the windows. So, oh, that's not working. How about that? There, so got the chuck back in its box. Actually got a workpiece. I am just delighted. Well, thanks for watching, guys. There'll be some more of this video when I've done a little bit of sanding and polishing and making it look beautiful. Keep it real, keep it Twig, brother. More turning videos coming all the time. Have a good one. Bye.